Manisha, JSW has always been pretty, I'd say present when it comes to squash, but we are now a bit more prominent with it. What was the whole, what's the whole game plan behind jumping into squash the way we have, and if you could tell everyone more about getting the tournament here?
Well, squash is obviously very close to Parth's. It's one of his favorite sports. He's played it for a long time. I don't need this here, I'm loud. It's always been something that he supports for a long time, but squash being added into LA kind of really, I think the day the announcement came out, that morning, I had Parth on the phone saying, there's an amazing squash player, she's 14, she's going to win gold in LA, please sign her, please sign her. So he's followed it a lot, and you know, we've also kind of all been around. I've been around squash for a long time. I used to support Joshna and Deepika and Saurabh when they were kids. So it's always been a sport that we've always tried to support. It's a wonderful sport. It has some great kind of iconic tournaments. I've watched squash happen in Grand Central Station when it still happens, right, Rana? Yeah. So once it did manage to make the Olympic foray, I think a lot changed within us and trying to support it, especially since we have such a big mandate with the Olympic Games and the Indian contingent. Once we want to, looking forward, obviously we expect squash to grow. We expect it to be one of our favorite sports, and what better than to come to my home club and see it. And I was just telling somebody the other day that I think I must have been 7 or 8 years old when the last event happened over there, where I watched boxing happen over there. So to have squash happen there, it's gratitude to our club members, and you know, that's the wonderful thing of having sports fanatics as presidents of the club. That's what they do, and we are very, very grateful, and I think this can be a great kind of kick-off to having iconic events come to India, come to Bombay, come to our club, and grow from there.
Perfect, thanks Manisha. Divyanshu, JSW Sports, this is JSW Sports Indian Open. If I could ask you to delve into a little about why are we promoting this, bringing this tournament to India, and its significance from a development of sport point of view.
Hi everyone. Professional tournaments are a very important cog in the wheel, I believe, when it comes to developing a sporting ecosystem from the ground up. And just continuing from what Manisha said, when we look at sports, we always look at it from a long-term perspective and also from a holistic perspective, where we are not only trying to support India's most promising talent, which is the need of the hour, but also the important role that competitive tournaments play. Indian athletes have always had a dearth when it comes to international exposure. So our endeavor with tournaments like these is not only to provide opportunity to Indian talent, but it also serves as a very important role in terms of inspiration for more and more people to take up the sport. That's one. Second is that we are trying to also develop the ecosystem when it comes to the business of sport in India. It is dominated by cricket, but our endeavor is to change that, and that changes as we start creating more and more heroes for Indian sport. Today, luckily, Indian squash has 6 players in the top 100, which I think is a phenomenal achievement. And there is growing optimism that going forward up to LA 2028, these athletes will shine for India, and we are here to give them all the support. And from a marketing perspective, our endeavor is to raise the profile and to raise the popularity of the sport. That we are confident. We've also got global talent coming from Egypt, Malaysia, Canada, so we're really excited for the next 1 week of amazing squash for all of us. Thank you.
Thanks Divyanshu. Okay, to the guys who this tournament's all about, how important is this? How big is this? Bombay, it's the first time after a long gap that this is happening. It's passing to Michael. Okay, you're taking this one. Yeah, why is this important from a player's perspective?
I mean, it's always good to play at home. I think in India we don't get the opportunity to do it enough. So I'm very thankful to JSW, SRFI, Bombay Gymkhana, and everyone who's made it possible. Especially with the Olympics, you know, that's what we all are looking towards. The PSA ranking is the criteria, and home court advantage is something Indians don't really get to do at a top level, especially like this event, the biggest event India has hosted. So I feel it's important in terms of reaching to more number of people, as Divyanshu mentioned, to get more eyeballs on the sport. And secondly, from a ranking perspective as well, to play at home in front of people you know, where you feel comfortable. It's also important from an athlete's perspective to get a chance to be in action here. So both put together, I feel it's a very important combination for us to kind of develop our strategy heading towards the Olympics. And I think it's a beautiful thing to have some more squash events within the country. So I'm excited, and thank you all for making it happen.
Perfect. What he said? Exactly what he said?
No, come on.
No, they want to hear from you.
Yeah, so like it's one of my bigger tournaments that I've played up till now, and getting to play in India as well as getting to play with so many of the international players and getting to see how far I can go in this tournament as well. I think especially for me it's really important for my ranking is I've just recently started getting into the BSAs and getting to play at home rather than traveling outside the country so much. It's a huge advantage. And
thank you. Sanjeev, Sumit, if you could tell us about Bombay Gym giving a nod to something like this and saying, okay, let's host this tournament and let's do it the way that we want to do it, get people in. It's a ticketed event, yes. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the last big thing that we had was squash about 7 years ago in Bombay. So why did we guys not on this, and what are you looking forward to from this?
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Bombay Gymkhana. And of course, all those on the dance with me. To begin with, I'd like to say it's indeed a great honor and privilege for Bombay Gymkhana to be hosting the JSW Indian Open, and it fits in very well with our rich sporting legacy and our rich sporting culture. And as you all might be aware, or if not aware, this year this is our 150th year. And Bombay Gymkhana started off as a sports powerhouse, which we continue to be. We had things like polo, the first test match in India was played here, golf was played over here, and almost 22 to 23 sports. So it's basically a part of our vision, part of our future plans to sort of promote sports. That's what we've been doing for the past 150 years. And when Sumit mentioned to me that this event's likely to take place, and with Bombay Gym, we're happy to host it, and it didn't even take me a second to say yes, because that's what Bombay Gym is all about. And I'd like to also compliment JSW Sports. I think they're playing a very key, very critical role in development of Indian sports. So big round of applause for JSW for all these initiatives which they've been taking over the last few years, and which has truly transformed Indian sport and taken it to different heights and levels by supporting players, supporting teams, and adding to the growing Indian sports ecosystem. So yes, Bombay Gym, it fits in very well with our vision and our philosophy, and we look forward to more such events.
So is this slightly more personal for you, given your association with the sport? Sorry? I think this was Sumit.
Yes, so I've been associated with squash for now about 35 to 40 years almost, and ever since I've taken over as the squash secretary at Bombay Gymkhana, my endeavor has been always to promote squash and bring big marquee squash events to Bombay Gymkhana. So we've been doing it at a national level earlier, and about 2 years back we hosted the Junior Nationals. Last year we hosted the Senior Nationals. But at the international BSA level, this is one of the largest events we are hosting, and I mean, we are very, very proud and privileged to host this marquee event, which will help not only grow squash in Bombay Gymkhana, but it will help grow squash in India, and that is what we are really looking to do, because the whole ethos of Bombay Gymkhana is promotion of sports, and this is just a small endeavor in that process.
Thanks so much, Sumit. Well, over to you guys right now. The floor is open to any questions that you might have about the tournament, about JSW's plans.